herding?
Well, we're social animals, and we feel more comfortable making decisions that lots of other people are making. It feels more risky to take a view that runs contrary to the herd. So you do see a lot of herding behaviour. Quite interestingly, a lot of the stories that traders told us about great successes were contrarian stories. For traders in investment banks, often it would seem, they care quite a lot about status and how they're seen by other traders. And one of the things that they particularly seem to enjoy is taking a call that everybody else thinks is wrong and then being right about it. I think there are definitely herding effects among professional traders, but also I do think that there's kind of status incentives for taking contrarian positions and being right about them.
Can you discuss herding, irrational exuberance and irrational pessimism that lead ordinary investors to systematically underperform the market?
Yeah, these terms, irrational exuberance, irrational pessimism, I'm really uncomfortable most of the time with describing behaviour as irrational, because one man's rationality is another's rationality. Most behaviour is understandable as rational so long as you understand what the goal set is. For most of us, one of our goals is to keep feeling good and to keep feeling comfortable. So sometimes some of the things we do are driven by the desire to avoid emotional discomfort. So in that sense, some of what we do is rational. Also, behaviour can be seen as rational if you understand the information set people are operating from, and if you understand that, for a lot of ordinary people investing in markets, what's seen as really risky is to do differently to what everybody else is doing. You can see how that might feed various kinds of upward and downward trends. Coming back to that kind of herding behaviour we talked about. Most people don't have access to the kind of ability to analyse economic fundamentals, understand what the relevant information is, never mind means, relative to the assets they're invested in. There may be a lot of information out there that the market's taking account of that your average investor really can't access or understand, but the information they rely on may be, what the paper's saying about this, what are other investors doing, and so on.